the POWERTWIST Plus V-belt. Pretty simple to install, no tools, no mess, and no need to dismantle any of the components. Simply turn tab side out and bend the belt back as far as possible. Then twist a couple of tabs and push them through the slots until the belt can be twisted apart. Use this method to remove as many links as necessary. To assemble the belt again, simply reverse the process. Pull the belt hand tight around the pulleys, overlapping 2 links. Count the links and remove the number needed to get the right tension on the belt. Check the instructions included in the box for the formula. Assemble the belt and turn the tabs to the inside. Place the belt on the smaller pulley and roll it onto the larger pulley. The belt will seem tight. That's okay. Check the belt after it runs for 24 hours and make adjustments to the tension if necessary.